studying in 12th and want to become a software engineer? Becoming a software engineer was so easy back in the day. Just do a BTech in computer science and join an IT job. Not anymore. The tech industry today seeks a wide array of highly specialized skills. So, now, in addition to the good old BTech in computer science engineering, we have BTech in information technology, BTech in data science, BTech in cybersecurity, BTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning, BTech in artificial intelligence and data science, and many, many more. But if you still want to do a BTech in computer science engineering only, but with a specialization, then BTech in computer science and engineering with specialization in AI, computer science and engineering with specialization in AI and ML, computer science and engineering with specialization in cybersecurity, computer science and engineering with specialization in Internet of Things, computer science and engineering with specialization in data science, computer science and engineering with specialization in data science and artificial intelligence, computer science and engineering with specialization in cloud computing, computer science engineering with specialization in software engineering, and many more, just to mention a few. If you are one who thought that engineering entrance exams are the tough ones, you could take the BSc route with a BSc in data science, with a BSc in computer science, with a BSc in information technology as well. You also have another option with the Bachelor in Computer Applications route, or BCA. You can even do a master's here called an MCA, and these come with a lot of specializations too. Feeling overwhelmed already with all these choices? We are not done yet, because you have to now decide which college to go to, because there are 6,000 plus engineering colleges and 14,000 plus science colleges in India. How do you even begin to select what is right for you? How do you ensure that you are not just another graduate, but a graduate with a future? You need to know these 12 crucial things before deciding. We will release a new video explaining each and every of these factors and update the playlist as we go. Short on time? No worries, we have also created a PDF version which you can download from the link in the description. What? Still feeling overwhelmed and want somebody to help you out? Don't worry, Kalvyam to the rescue. Our expert counselors, trained by industry leaders with over 15 years of experience, are ready to help you explore your interest, discover your passions, and pick the right path for your future. We have assisted thousands of students in choosing colleges that offer not just a degree, but a launchpad for their careers. Click on the other link below to register for a free one-on-one personalized career guidance session from the expert counselors.